अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्लास फिफ्थ, सब्जेक्ट environmental स्टडीज। और इसमें टॉपिक है द अर्थ और सब टॉपिक है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द अर्थ। वंस इट वाज थॉट दैट द अर्थ डेवलप्ड फ्रॉम ए रोटेटिंग बॉडी ऑफ हॉट gases in space. These gases cooled and the other bodies were formed. Later, in about 1900, it was suggested that the Earth developed out of material from the Sun. Some scientists believe that the Earth may have been very hot during the early part of its formation. At first, it was a fiery mixture of boiling rock and poisonous gases. As millions of years went by, the earth grew cooler and a thin crust formed on its surface, which sealed in the heat. Inside the earth is organized into three main layers. Number one, crust. Number two, mantle. And number three, core. Number one, crust. The outermost layer of the earth is called the crust. The thickness of the earth varies from place to place. Under continents, its thickness ranges from 35 to 60 kilometers. Under oceans, it is thinner and is only 6 kilometers. Number two, mantle. The region between the crust and the core of the earth is called mantle. Nearly 2,900 kilometers thick, the mantle is made up of hot rocks. Temperature and pressure here are lower than in the core. Even so much of the mantle rock is semi-molten. Number three, core. The innermost part of the earth is called its core. The core is made up of iron and nickel. In the outer region of the core, the metals are present in the molten state. The inner region of the core is a solid ball. आज का सबक खत्म हुआ, इससे आगे इंशाल्लाह कल पढ़ेंगे।